There was a significant downtime on Thinkorswim today, and I'm going to give you guys some advice in case it happens again. I tried to log on to Thinkorswim this morning, but it wouldn't let me. So I was scrolling on social media and I noticed people were posting about how they couldn't log on to Thinkorswim and were asking if anyone else was experiencing the same issue. So I realized immediately this wasn't a small problem affecting one or two people. And as you can see, I'm still not able to log on to Thinkorswim. I'm clicking continue and it's still not taking me to the password login section. There's only two reasons why I use Thinkorswim. It's for charting purposes and long-term trading purposes. And that's it, right? Today I had to use my broker's platform for trading or charting, I should say, which I don't like to use. I prefer to Thinkorswim, but in which case it got the job done. I can't complain. But if you're trying to figure out if your platform is down or not, there is a website that you can use called Down Detector, right? As you can see, there was a significant surge precisely at 9:40, was it 46? Around 9:46. And it appears to seem like it's getting a little bit better. But nevertheless, you can always check Down Detector, which is useful as it helps you determine whether the problem is with you or your platform. So you can definitely check this out with multiple different platforms. And as you can see, the most reported problems was login. So you know it's not just you, it's many others that was having this issue. So there's a few other things you can do. First, it's a good idea to confirm that you can access the website of your broker if you have an open position, so you can frequently use the website to close position if necessary. So in this case, you'll go to the Charles Schwab website and plug in your login information. It's not the ideal move, but you can still access the website and close the position. That way, if the platform went down in the middle of a trade, you'll be perfectly fine. That's if the website works. Remember that. Next, you can occasionally view comments made by users on Reddit. And as you can see on the Thinkorswim feed, people were asking questions. Anyone else can't log in? Someone took a screenshot. They said, sure, whenever, no rush. And it seems like the website was down as well. If not, then they were just letting people know that the app was down. Yeah, the app, yeah. So the app was down. And if you go down more, let's see. Other people are showing screenshot of it's saying login unavailable. The login service is temporarily unavailable. Yada, yada, yada. I know they were pissed off. And subsequently, you can also check Twitter as well, because people was also stressing that they couldn't log on to Thinkorswim as well. And other people might be wondering if there's any other third-party platform they can use to work with. In my response, I would have to say it all depends on whether you're using Thinkorswim exclusively for trading execution or charting. There are numerous charting platforms available if it's only for charting, like TradingView and TC2000, and many others. But if you're using it for trading execution, then I don't think there's any ways around that. You can certainly consider having a backup platform and a backup account just in case something like this happens again. You can be prepared, because a lot of people that relied on Thinkorswim missed out on a lot of trading opportunity today. Nevertheless, Thinkorswim is a pretty good platform for charting analysis, for trading calls and puts, option contracts, and many other people use it for day trading, as you frequently get good fills and also it's free commission. Hopefully Charles Schwab get everything up and running with Thinkorswim for the people that actually use their platform for execution, and also for the people that use it for charting like me. So thanks for tuning in. Press that like button and see you guys to the next video. Peace.